So if you guys didn't see my video on the previous XRPT or XPRT persistence one drop, this is basically all that happened. I just showed you guys how to delegate the Kava Labs. Oh, by the way, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, guys. It really helps the YouTube algorithms, and I'd love to keep teaching you guys about cryptocurrencies and how to get free cryptos, how to stake, just basically the ins and outs of cryptocurrency and just learning about it and how to use it, just so it's not like a foreign language, because it's coming, guys. Watch out for the wave, because it's coming. So we have already staked the Kava. I'll show you guys. I didn't do that much. I just did 399. I earned basically 20 XPRT tokens for free. I haven't received them yet because they still have not released them. The release schedule is going to be says coming soon. I want to say it's going to be 2 months from now or maybe a month from now. Just so they can, they're trying to release their tokens in a fair way. So there's going to be a total of 1 million tokens that are dropped, and so far there's 319,000. So let's go to the Kava Labs one that we did. So here's where we already staked. I showed you guys the total. Now I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw that. So I'm going to go to the Kepler wallet. I did not claim any of the stake, so I'm just going to show you the stake. So it's loading right now. So I'm just going to hit claim. I'm just going to do low because I don't care. We'll just do it low. Stake, I guess, and we'll set fee and we'll withdraw it. So we just claimed the stake. You can see now we have 1.76 Kava, and that's it. So you can see we just claimed the staking reward. Now there's 1.76 Kava that we claimed, and now I'm going to go ahead and undelegate this. So to undelegate, what you need to do is go to Kepler, where you deposited it, or sent the deposit. We're going to go to manage on the audit one. We're going to undelegate. Available for undelegation, we're going to do 399. Undelegate. So this is for Kava. For this one, I think it's like 21 days or 24 days. So I have to wait. We're going to do a low transaction fee. Undelegate Kava will be liquid after unbonding period. So we are going to approve. Transaction is pending. Wait a sec. So now you can see that it's unstaked now. You can even look at the Kepler wallet. Basically, you can see, okay, look, it's still staked, 399. I can't do anything with it. And you can see undelegating, 399, 21 days remaining. So once 21 days are up, I can move the Kava wherever I want. So I will have those XPRT tokens showing up in my ledger. This is what they claim. It usually comes through. I just thought I'd throw that out there. But a lot of people are asking, because what's going to happen with the XRP drop with the new tokens. I can't remember what they're called. I'm drawing a blank on it. But anyways, so who knows what's going to happen with that. If XRP doesn't exist anymore, then those people who stake the XRP to get that token drop don't get it. But anyways, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free to do so. I want to get 100 likes, guys. Help me get 100 likes on this video. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Wisdom one-liners, guys. I didn't forget about it. Don't worry. We're in Proverbs chapter 24 now. We're making some progress. Do not envy the wicked. Do not desire their company. For their hearts plot violence, and their lips talk about making trouble. Guys, do what you do. Don't worry about the others. Don't look on Facebook, see what everyone else is doing. I'm not saying the person's wicked, but what I'm saying is don't be jealous of others. Go about your life. You're blessed. I mean, you could be that hobo who's on the street who's just begging for food. I mean, think about it. You're blessed. You're blessed beyond belief. Just remember that, guys. Someone's always got it worse than you. Thanks for watching, guys.